To twist a ponytail. Hair tutorial. Part 1.
Alright y'all, I'm gonna show you how to achieve this. Look. This is the hair I used. I honestly wouldn't recommend it. I'd use the one that everybody uses for their passion twist, because this one was crazy. And it was hard to manage. I had to cut it like every day. But yeah, I'm using color 2. That's what most of us have, is color 2, and I think 30. Yeah, I used a rat tail comb, a wide tooth comb, and a brush with the Supreme and regular hold Shine and Jam. So you're gonna want to split your hair down the middle, split it in two. Those two front pieces are for the 2 twists you see in part 2. I'm gonna separate half, and then you're gonna want to create a perimeter for your ponytail. So you're gonna want to make a 360 perimeter all around of leave out, like such. It doesn't have to be perfect, you're not gonna see the parts. Just make sure it's all around. Tie up the rest of the hair, put it away, and then you're gonna want to braid it down, twist it down, or clip it away just to get it out the way. Yup. You're gonna need at least 4 hair ties for this. So I used the main choice, the leave-in, and the Mael styling cream. Use whatever you want. That's just what I had. Got it from TJ Maxx, if you know, you know. Moisturize it, comb it out, and then you're gonna want to split the hair down the middle. After such, you're gonna put your fake hair in between your real hair. And I usually do it diagonally because it creates that layered effect. The bottom part, you're gonna want it a little longer than the top, so it could be, layered. And then you're gonna put a ponytail holder on your hair. And then you're gonna put another hair tie on the fake hair. And you're gonna moisturize it, comb it through, and you're gonna braid your hair down till it's all locked in and anchored in. The braid is also gonna act as an anchor. I also messed up with that braid. I should have did 2 because my hair is so thick. If you have thick hair, please do 2. Now you're gonna want to take out all that perimeter leave out. Take it all out, and you're gonna want to smooth it on down. If you have longer hair, I suggest you comb it through once again. Smooth it all down with that Shine and Jam. Y'all, this is like my 5th attempt trying to post this video. I just had to hunker down and download CapCut because TikTok wasn't cutting it by itself. But after it's smooth, put the ponytail holder on. Want to do it tight. I did it 3 times, I believe. And then you're gonna want to take that perimeter hair and twist it, and then wrap it around the base of the hair. So the perimeter and the middle part, the middle braid, you're gonna twist around the base of your hair. So it's gonna anchor it like such. And you see, it's to my liking. Next time I'll do probably another half a pack of hair just to make it thicker, but it is getting hot outside.
To twist a ponytails. Part 2.
Alright, so you're gonna want to start this braid off with just 1 or 2 pieces of the fake hair. And then after you braid it down a little bit, you're gonna want to add all the hair. And I'm just doing the braiding method because it's the easiest with this hair. Gonna braid it down a little bit, and then you're gonna split it into 2 and twist it all the way down. As you can see here, I did the second ponytail and I did the first twist, but I am gonna redo it because this one came out better than the other one. Make sure they're twisted evenly and both look nice and neat. That was my sister. Alright, then you're gonna want to smooth it down for the last time right before. By the way, I have these extra braids in my hair for the hairstyle I had before this one. I bobby pinned some of it. So I bobby pinned it, but then I took it out because I'm actually allergic to bobby pins because I'm allergic to nickel. But you're gonna take about 3 or 4 pieces of the curly hair. You're gonna wrap it around the base of that ponytail so you could cover your natural hair and make it match the whole ponytail. Y'all. Alright, do the same to the other side. Yes, I put the bobby pin in right now, but after I wrapped the hair around, I just took it right back out. Yup, and then there it is. And there it is then. And then it was done. Yup.
New hairstyle for the week. Hopefully 2.